If you're looking for fabric alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 fabric alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by iHome. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by SOUFUN. Number 3, by Ruggie. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by DZD 1968. Number 5, by eBoTrade Dirct. Find these fabric alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Prime Products. Number 7, by Toddy's Women's Sweater. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by JLX. Number 9, by Cocosina. Discover more fabric alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by XLH.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.